fully automated, high capacity, start to scale. Welcome to the BW-TEC lab here in Switzerland. This is the BW-TEC automated balloon forming machine for high demand and high quality balloons. The loading of the parison into the magazine is easy, user-friendly, and reliable. A high-capacity tube magazine holds over 200 next tubes, depending on the tube size, ensuring long, uninterrupted production cycles for more than 8 hours. The loading of the magazine into the machine is fast and reliable. Press start to scale without additional labor cost. Each tube is automatically loaded into the mold. The rapid forming process delivers tight tolerances, reliable wall thickness, and consistent balloon quality. Every cycle, every shift. Formed balloons are transferred directly into the storage tray, and thanks to the smart collection system, operators can retrieve balloons at any time without interrupting production. Compatible with the existing BW-TEC molds and heating blocks, the automated machine transfers seamlessly in your production line. Just transfer your recipes and start to scale.
The fully automated workflow boosts both the quality and the productivity. This will free up your team for new tasks.
Increase your output, minimize your scrap rate, and therefore improve your ROI. Start automating with BW-TEC and Machine Solutions.